Hey guys, it's Max. I'm teaching you guys about tumor prevention today. So starting out here with Little Dragon, and his family is actually susceptible to throat cancer. So we're going to use Star Wars here to show how that tumor is going to spread throughout the body and how the cells and genes might prevent it. So these Jedi and these clones have graciously agreed to protect the dragon here against tumors and throat cancer. The tumor is going to be illustrated by General Grievous. So Grievous is a robot, so that means he needs more parts to grow bigger and stronger. In terms of a tumor cell, that means he would need uncontrolled cell growth. And so genes X, Y, and Z are going to be preventing that cell growth and suppressing Grievous. So the first line of defense is going to be the tumor suppressor genes. And that's going to be illustrated by gene X. So tumor suppressor genes they're going to bind to the DNA sequences of cells that are dividing uncontrollably, and they're going to stop cell division and either fix a mutation, repair, or straight up kill the cell. And that would suppress Grievous. And so the reason I know these guys are tumor suppressor genes is because it states that for a benign tumor to form, both of the alleles in gene X have to be mutated. And so with a tumor suppressor gene, if one of these guys is mutated and one of the alleles is mutated, he can still do his job, just at a much slower rate. So some of the cells that are dividing uncontrollably will still be stopped by the other allele, but some of them will not. And because of that, there will still be a greater frequency of mutations happening, which could actually end up taking out this other allele and allowing Grievous to become what's known as a benign tumor. So he's not causing any problems yet, but he could in the future. I'll also mention this dragon, his family history has more mutations in the alleles of gene X, so it's possible he could have been born with one of the alleles already not working or had a greater susceptibility to a mutation in the X allele. So this second kind of tumor is a malignant tumor, and that happens when one of the alleles in gene Y become mutated. So gene Y and Z are proto-oncogenes, and proto-oncogenes are genes that are going to regulate cell division, and it's going to be controlled. But proto-oncogenes, if one of their alleles get mutated, they actually become an oncogene, which means that they're now still promoting cell division, but it's uncontrollable. And so since only one allele needs to be mutated to turn into an oncogene, both of these Jedi are going to now help Grievous become what is known as a malignant tumor that's actually going to cause pain to this dragon and cause problems, because now they're actually all outnumbering these two remaining Jedi. And so the last type of tumor is the metastatic tumor. And the metastatic tumor means that there is now one of the alleles in the Z proto-oncogene are mutated. So that means both of these Jedi are now turning against them as gene Z becomes an oncogene, and they're all helping contribute to Grievous's uncontrolled growth. And as he becomes so uncontrollable and so big, he is now able to spread throughout the rest of this dragon's body and cause tumors in other areas. And that is a metastatic tumor. And so that is tumor suppression and how mutations can affect it. Thank you.